Who pays for guardrail damage? Have you ever wondered what happens when a vehicle hits a guardrail? Who is responsible for the damage? Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect if you find yourself in this situation. When a vehicle collides with a guardrail, the driver's auto insurance liability cover usually steps in to cover the costs. This type of insurance is specifically designed to handle property damage that you cause to others, including public property like guardrails. If you have liability coverage, your insurance company will typically pay the government agency or entity responsible for the guardrail. They will cover the repair or replacement costs, but only up to the limits of your policy. It's important to document the damage at the scene by taking clear photos. This documentation is essential for supporting your claim later on. Now, what if your own vehicle gets damaged in the process? If you have collision coverage, that can help pay for the repairs to your car after hitting the guardrail. However, you will need to pay your deductible first. Collision coverage applies regardless of who is at fault, so it's a handy option to have. After an accident, it's vital to stay at the scene. Reporting the incident to the police is often required by local laws. Leaving the scene without reporting can lead to serious consequences, such as being charged with a hit-and-run offense. Reporting promptly and documenting the scene can assist with both your liability claim for the guardrail damage and your collision claim for your vehicle. In some scenarios, you might decide to pay for the guardrail damage out of your own pocket. This could be a reasonable choice if the damage is minor, or if you want to avoid a potential increase in your insurance premiums. To summarize, guardrail damage costs are generally covered by your liability insurance, which pays for property damage you cause to others or public property. Your vehicle damage from hitting the guardrail is covered by your collision insurance, subject to your deductible. Documenting the accident scene, including both the guardrail damage and your vehicle damage, is important for filing claims. Reporting the accident to authorities is often legally required and beneficial for insurance claims. You also have the option to pay for guardrail repairs yourself, depending on the situation. Understanding these details can help you navigate the claims process smoothly.